In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your phone number on Stripe. Let's support your journey through this simple process to ensure you stay connected and secure with your Stripe account. First up, log into your Stripe account and land on your dashboard. Once you're there, you're going to want to navigate over to the settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon. It might be located at the bottom left of your dashboard or somewhere easily accessible. Click on that icon and a list of options should appear where you'll see Personal Settings. Under this, you'll find Personal Details. Go ahead and give that a click. It's here where all the magic begins, as this section is dedicated to your personal information. So, having the most accurate details is key. Scrolling down a bit, you should come across a section labeled Two-Step Authentication. Two-step, or multi-factor authentication, is essential for keeping your account secure, adding an extra layer of protection by sending you an additional code each time you log in. You'll want to click on Add Authentication Method, which is an option nestled in this Secure section. Engaging with this helps you manage how you want to receive your authentication prompts. Now, after clicking to add an authentication method, you're presented with a choice. In this case, let's continue with adding a phone number, since we want to ensure you can still use text messages for convenience. Sometimes we prefer receiving our codes via text rather than an authenticator app. It's entirely up to your personal preference, so choose what feels best for you. Once you've selected Add Phone Number, you'll be prompted to enter your preferred contact number. Now remember, it's crucial to double-check the number you're typing in. Make sure it's correct so that you don't face issues later when you need the authentication code. After entering your number, you'll typically have an option to confirm it. There could be a button or prompt to confirm phone number, and you might even receive a verification code via SMS, depending on the process, to ensure that you have access to the number provided. With these steps completed, congratulations are in order. You've successfully updated your phone number on Stripe and ensured that your account security remains intact. Remember, keeping your contact details up to date is important not just for security purposes, but also for receiving crucial alerts and updates from Stripe. Thank you for joining me today and following through these easy steps. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay safe and see you in the next guide.